Hello, Shell families. Welcome to November's virtual STAR Student Assembly. We want to make sure we take time to recognize our students for the hard work that they are doing to make good choices and demonstrate outstanding character no matter the situation. If we could recognize our students in person at an assembly, we would. But since that is not possible at this time, we want to recognize our students virtually. We feel it's important to recognize strong character as it is to recognize academic achievement, as good character is essential for success in life. Our character trait for the month of November was pride, as you can see here. We were looking for students who demonstrated pride in all that they said and did. They demonstrated pride in their work by doing their best and completing their work on time. They demonstrated pride in themselves by making good choices. They demonstrated pride in their school by following expectations and helping others. You can see many of the behaviors that these students exhibit in our smiley face word cloud. These attributes came directly from what their teachers said about them. Our STAR students will receive packets in the mail with a copy of their nomination, a certificate, and some other fun surprises. We ask our students to email a picture to their teacher so that we can post them on our STAR student bulletin board. Now, let's find out who November's STAR students are. Our first STAR student is from Mrs. Cook's third grade class. This student motivates me to challenge students, is thoughtful, cares about helping others, helps others in needs, attends Google Meets, is eager to share his knowledge, loves to learn new things, shows pride in doing his best, has determination to be his best, is optimistic about his learning style this year, is willing to show tiger pride, starts his day out expanding his education, produces best effort assignments, reads over directions carefully, is inclined to be the best student he can be, deserves every grade he receives, and exemplifies excellence. Congratulations to Michael Wanacott. Our next STAR student is from Miss Kennedy's third grade classroom. If you believe in yourself and have dedication and pride and never quit, you'll be a winner. The price of victory is high, but so are the rewards. A quote by Bear Bryant. This student is a hard worker and doesn't give up. The work isn't easy for him, but he isn't a quitter. I see a determined young man who completes every assignment to the best of his ability. Keep working hard and taking pride in your work. Congratulations to Liam Nugent. Our next STAR student is from Mrs. Martin's third grade class. This student is a hard-working young man. He takes pride in completing his assignments in our virtual classroom. He is dedicated to his own success with this new way of learning. He comes to his Google Meets prepared to work and contribute to our class discussion. His caring and respectful ways are a wonderful example for all of us. Thank you and congratulations to Emmett Nay. Our next STAR student is from Mrs. Wallace's third grade class. I'm so pleased to nominate this young man for my STAR student. While he could easily fit all the STAR student themes, pride is one area that he excels in. Despite any challenges he may face on a daily basis, he always puts his best effort forth at all times. He is an exceptional role model in the room 102 by showing all of us that he cares about being the best he can be. Congratulations to Bentley Buniak. Our next STAR student is from Mrs. Warden's third grade classroom. This student puts forth his absolute best effort all the time. He is very responsible, turning in his work and doing the best he can on each and every assignment. He works hard following the rules and takes pride in how he carries himself in and out of the classroom. I am proud to nominate him for my STAR student for the month of November. Keep up the exceptional work. Congratulations to Carson Dice. Our next STAR student is from Mr. Ball's fourth grade classroom. Our STAR student this month had a great first trimester of fourth grade. He works hard and takes extreme pride in his work. His work is neat and he goes to great lengths to provide detailed explanations in his problem-solving process. He does a tremendous job demonstrating his knowledge of math by drawing models and diagrams in his daily work, sometimes when it's not even expected of him. I am amazed at all the detail and thoroughness of his work. It's easy to see the pride he puts into his work. I am proud of the effort he has put forth so far, and I anticipate great things out of him as the rest of the year. Congratulations to David Reyna. Our next STAR student is from Mrs. Bush's fourth grade class. I am so pleased to nominate Room 110 Star Student for the month of November. With this month's Trait of Pride, I could not think of a better candidate. Our Star Student is a polite and respectful student. She is very diligent about getting her work done and turned in on time. She will be quick to email me and let me know a link isn't working correctly, and she readily fixes any mistakes on her works and turns them in to get full credit. She takes pride in not only her schoolwork, but also in our school community by participating in school spirit days. During a Google Meet on Halloween, she brought her sidekick along with her, her horse. Thank you for being a great role model in our classroom. You've got what it takes to be known as a star student at Shaw Elementary. Congratulations to Evelyn Bruce. Our next star student is from Ms. Borbing's 4th grade classroom. Working hard and making sure you complete everything can be difficult, especially this year. Yet, this student has completed every assignment that he has gotten. He has 0 missing assignments, and that is quite an accomplishment. In addition to completing all of his work, he works hard on it and does his best on each assignment. Sometimes the work can be challenging, but he does not give up. He should be proud of the excellent job he is doing in making sure that the work is complete each and every day. I know I am proud of him. Keep up the hard work, kiddo. You are doing an awesome job. Congratulations to Garrett Snyder. Our next star student is from Mrs. K's 4th grade classroom. Our star student for the month makes our class a better place to be virtually or in person. He has a great sense of humor and is always up to try something new. He takes pride in his work and is becoming quite the typer on his own. Taking pride in having the motivation to do more than what is expected makes him the perfect star student for Room 204. Congratulations to Cash Libby. Our next star student is from Ms. Kuntz's 4th grade classroom. If you believe in yourself and have dedication and pride and never quit, you'll be a winner. A quote by Paul Bryant. The student I have nominated as our star student for this month is one who consistently shows pride in their work. They strive to have their assignments done correctly, turned in by the deadline, and show they are always ready to take on new challenges. This student has had an adventurous attitude and gone above and beyond on their work since the first day of school. I am pleased to announce as our November star student, Alexander McCollum. Congratulations, Alex. Our next star student is from Mrs. Burns' 5th grade class. The student that I am nominating as this month's star student shows pride in everything he does. He takes pride in his schoolwork by having it complete and on time each day. His work is always neat and easy to read. He also participates and always does his best at whatever it is he is doing. This student also shows pride by keeping his workspace neat and clean. He is truly a star, and I am happy to have him in my class. Congratulations to Brexton Grossbeck. Our next star student is from Mrs. Gill's 5th grade class. Our star student shows pride in what she does each and every day. She knows what is expected of our students and does her best to show that school matters to her. Her homework is always completed, on time, and neatly written. I can count on her to be one of the last students to turn in a test because I know she is working carefully on each problem. She follows expectations daily and directions the first time given. She starts each day with a positive attitude. She also participates in class discussions. She works very diligently to get all of her assignments complete during her absence. Congratulations to Christy Osborne. Keep up the good work. Our next star student is from Ms. Nichols' 5th grade classroom. My star student nomination this month goes to a student who consistently shows pride in the classroom. He takes pride in his work by writing neatly, taking time to finish assignments correctly, getting his work turned in on time, and working well in groups. On Google Classroom, he often fixes work based on the feedback I give him, showing pride in learning. He asks questions if he needs to so he can understand the assignments I have posted and attends Google Meets regularly. If other students post questions and he knows the answer, he will often reply before I get a chance to do so, which really helps everyone stay organized. Due to the many ways this student shows pride through his hard work and positive influence, I am nominating as our star student for Room 208, Connor Deagle. Congratulations. Our next star student is from Ms. Schauger's 5th grade classroom. The student I am nominating for November star student is very meticulous in making sure her work is not only done, but done correctly. She emails me anytime she has a question and makes sure she understands what needs to be done. She is always checking on what she can do to improve her grades and be a better student. I am proud to have her as a member of my classroom. For these reasons and more, I am nominating for our star student for the month of November, Stella Lutz. Congratulations, Stella, and keep up the great work. Our final star student for the month of November is from Mrs. Torma's 5th grade classroom. There is one obvious choice this month for the trait of pride. The student that I am nominating comes to my Google Meets daily, often twice a day. He is there every time with thoughtful questions about his work to make sure that he understands. He is conscientious about his work, fixing answers and resubmitting work when necessary. He has found some mistakes in my work and has very politely let me know so I can fix those for the students. He also helps students that have questions during the Google Meets, at times asking if he can explain it in a different way to help another student better understand. Through all of these actions, this student has exemplified what it means to have pride in one's work. That is why I am nominating for the star student for the month of November, Cooper Brissett. Congratulations. We would also like to recognize our classroom superstars who were nominated by the specials teachers as demonstrating outstanding character in their specials classes during the month of November. November's classroom superstars are the students from Miss Kennedy's 3rd grade classroom. They will have a poster to put up outside of their classroom recognizing them as November's classroom superstars. Our December character trait is responsibility. We'll be looking for students who go above and beyond in demonstrating responsibility in the month of December. Responsibility is important in all aspects of our lives. It is especially important in this virtual learning environment where teachers can't be there in person with you. Students demonstrate responsibility by being prepared and ready to go for their Google Meets. They complete their work to the best of their ability and turn it in on time. They ask questions when they need help. They help others when they can. They make sure they do their jobs as students each and every day. We'll be looking for students who exemplify responsibility throughout the month of December. We wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. We miss you, and we hope you enjoy the Star Student Celebration.